What's up, my YouTubers? Nice to see you. How y'all doing today? Welcome to the 63 of me, part 2. We doing a trim delete on this old truck, so we gonna be welding up some trim holes. Then we gonna grind them smooth. We gonna cut out some rust. And then we're going to weld in some new sheet metal. Are you ready? Yeah, this old 63 had a lot of chrome trim on it, so we'll have 1,000,000 holes to prep for welding. It has some more tie downs bolted to it too. Some more holes to weld up. This old truck's pretty solid for its age though. We did some rust repairs on the driver's side in part 1. You should check it out if you haven't already. The owner decided he wanted to go with the smooth look. Old trucks look good like that. Low and smooth. Nicole says hello. Hello, Nicole. That's my girl there. Yeah, if you go back and watch part 1, I do a rust repair in 2 places on the door and 1 on the lower fender. I'm just glad the passenger side wasn't so bad. We gotta get all the trim holes cleaned up. This is the bad spot on the lower fender on the passenger side. Looks like the bondo's cracked up. Let's grind it out and see what we got. Bondo and metal mesh. Sweet. Let's clean it out. Yep, we got a small repair. Let's cut it out. I like to take my time and get my cut as straight as I can get it. That way I have a nice fit with my panel. No sense in getting in a hurry. Hurry just costs you more time. Do a little rust treatment inside there, cleaning this all out. Coat it with some bed coating. Now that we got it all cut out, we're gonna make us a pattern so the piece fits inside of it perfect. Now we have the pattern transferred to the metal. Let's cut her out. Again, take your time. Go straight lines. gonna make sure we clean up the edges real good so we get nice welds. We'll weld this thing back in there. All sides. Notice I have a pair of glasses on my head and one on my face. That's what happens when you think you set a pair down and can't find them. We got her. And she's treated and coated. There's our panel. Let's weld her in. Very important to take your time when welding these panels in. You overheat them, you'll warp it, and it's hard to get it straightened back out. So take your time, do a spot weld here, let it cool down. Do a spot weld there, let it cool down. Welding these panels in, you might have to take your body hammer and give it a tap here and a tap there. Just make sure it's flush to the other panel before you weld. Try to spread your spot welds out so you don't get too much heat in that one area. Give it time to cool and then come back. Some guys don't understand that you have to spot weld these panels in. You can't just run a bead. You'll overheat, burn through your metal. It's thin. It don't take a lot to burn through. So just take your time and spot it in. Yeah, you'll have a lot to grind down. Grind it down smooth, and you'll have to go back over it again probably and weld in pinholes and stuff. Once you get that done and you get it all grinded down smooth, shouldn't have any more issues. Get all these door seals ripped off so we can clean up these door jambs and get them ready for primer. Fix whatever might need to be fixed. Again, the truck's in good shape for its age. Here we go, filling in our trim hose, welding them up. Again, taking our time, not overheating, giving it cool down time, trying not to burn through. We want to fill the hose, not make them bigger. Get them all welded up, then we're going to grind them down smooth. Then we'll probably have to go back over and weld pinholes and stuff up and grind them down again. However many times it takes to get a smooth, flat finish. Go ahead, drop in, visit my page. Like, subscribe. Got a lot of cool things going on there. I'm building a 3rd gen Camaro with a 355. It's been a fun project. I'm also building a 79 Z28 with a 454. Both of these are my builds. I'm working on a 72 GMC, which I'll be posting about here for long. Here got the works: inner rockers, outer rockers, cab corners, floor pans, cab supports. It's been here for a while. We're about to spray some paint on it. I want to thank all y'all that's supported me so far. I appreciate it. Just looking to grow and get bigger, and maybe do a little better for my family and myself. Man, this truck had a lot of holes in it. I just want to thank y'all for watching. And don't forget to go to subscribe to my channel. Don't miss part 3. It'll be coming up soon. Check out that Chevy OBS I did. That 4th gen Camaro we repainted not too long ago. Go check them out. Thanks guys. Smash that subscribe.